Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to replace the stock camera with the Caddx EoS version 2. This little camera here gives you a 1200 TV line, so that's why I want to replace it to get a better quality videos through this. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into it. So in the package it gives you the camera and two little screws. All right, first off we have to remove these four screws. So to pull the camera out, you have to squeeze this top here a bit and release it from this little notch inside the canopy. So that's how you get your camera out. Okay, camera's out. All right, so now this is all soldered here. You can see, right? All in here now. So let's see if the camera works. So test it real quick before you put it back together. So this new camera, the lens is much bigger than the old one, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the new one, this is the old one. So the lens are much bigger, so it won't fit in this. If you try to put it back in here like this, it won't fit because the holes are much smaller here, unless I carve out this plastic, but I don't want to. So what you do is you have to remove the lens. So just remove the lens out. Okay, so the lens is out, and just put it in a nice place so it doesn't get dirty, and carefully insert this inside here so that you can get it in the housing. And once it's in there, it goes in there like that. Okay, you can see it. Then just put the lens back, just screw it back in. Alright, so now the camera is in like that. So now I just have to secure this camera to the canopies. So let's do that next. Okay, so to secure the camera, you need a zip tie like this. So I basically zip tie it down here, as you can see. All right. So zip tie it here and kind of go strap behind the camera and pull it out to the front like this. Okay. And then you take another zip tie, you kind of go through here like this. Okay. So make sure it's tight so the camera angle is right for you. Okay. And you look back here, the camera is not going to go anywhere. Okay. The camera is actually stationary into that spot. So you can see, and then just snip that one off. Okay, and snip this one off. So now it's in there. Hope that works. Now let's test this thing. See it works. Alright. Looks like everything works fine. From here you can see the video. Everything works fine. Okay. Awesome.